because you have over 1 trillion red blood cells in your body. Like there's a huge number of them, and they only live about 28 days. So you're making and eliminating the dead ones at a very fast rate, and so when you get rid of them, they go into your poop, and that's actually that brown color is often influenced by that. Hi, I'm Randy Clark. You've been watching these videos for a little bit now. You know what our school's about. What are you waiting for? If this interests you, if this sounds like something you want to do, go to our website at cns.edu. Check it out, hit the apply button, change your life today. So when it's not brown, you ate something that's really weird, right? Like this. If you take iron supplements, it can be green. And stuff like that. So if you want to play with poop colors, you can start doing stuff like that. That's fun.